Here is a question from your NCERT book, a very important question. Okay, the question is, if matrix A is equal to 0 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0, what is the order for this? 2 by 2. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 and I is the identity matrix of order 2. I is the identity matrix for order 2. Show that I plus A is equal to I minus A times this matrix. Again it is for order 2. Okay, so we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now let's just to make simplify question, let's change some terms in the question. Okay, now solution is, let us put tan alpha by 2 as a t. Okay, let tan alpha by 2 is equal to t, first thing. Second thing, a formula, cos alpha is equal to what you have done in class 11th. Cos alpha is equal to 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And sin alpha is what? As you remember, 2 tan alpha by 2. It is 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Okay. Now what we have put for tan alpha by 2? It was t. So cos alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and this becomes 2t upon 1 plus t square. So in place of cos alpha and sin alpha, we are going to change these terms. Okay. Now left hand side. Left hand side. Now here it is given I, normally sometimes it is written I2, 2 in the base, 2 is written here, that shows identity matrix for order 2. Okay, I am just writing here. Now I2 is equal to what? 1 0 0 1. This is I2. Okay, so left hand side, I plus A, matrix A is equal to 1 0 0 1 plus what is A? A is 0, t minus t, t and 0. Okay, this is R, because tan alpha by 2 we have taken t. Now after adding, what the result is? After adding, what the result is for this part, I plus A. Now 1 plus 0, 1, 0 minus t, 0 plus t, t and 1 plus 0, 1. This is left hand side. Okay, a very simple thing. Now let's move for right hand side. Right hand side now. Right hand side is equal to I minus A first. Let's solve this part first. I minus A is equal to 1 0 0 1 minus again A 0 minus t, t and 0, and this becomes what? First let's solve this part. Now this becomes 1 minus 0, 1, 0 minus minus t, it is positive t, 0 minus t and 1 minus 0, 1. Is it okay? Now we are having I minus A with, we are having cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. To this what we can write? Now first of all I minus A, what it was? Now we are having, this part was this one, 1 t minus t 1 with cos alpha. Cos alpha is what? 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square minus 2t upon 1 plus t square, because it is minus sin alpha. Again sin alpha, 2t upon 1 plus t square, cos alpha 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay. Now we have to multiply these two. This multiplied by this. Now let's make it more simplified. Now we can write this part as, now it can be written as 1 upon 1 plus t square common. This I have taken common from here. Okay, a scalar number. Now 1 t minus t 1 multiplied by second matrix 1 minus t square minus 2t and 1 minus t square. So what the result is? 1 upon 1 plus t square. Yes, using the definition, let's multiply. Now we are having 1 times 1 minus t square, one times 1 minus t square plus t times 2t. First condition, first row, first column. 1 times 1 minus t square, t times 2t. Now 1 times minus 2t, 1 times minus 2t plus 1 minus t square. First row, first column, first row, second column. Now second row, first column, minus t with 1 minus t square plus 1 with 2t. Similarly, second row, second column, minus t with minus 2t minus t with minus 2t and 1 with 1 minus t square plus 1 minus t square. Okay. So this is the multiplication for the matrix. Now what the result is? 1 upon 1 plus t square. Here we are getting 1 times 1 minus t square into 2t square. So we have 1 minus t square plus 2t square plus 2t square. Second, minus 2t plus t minus t square, minus 2t plus t minus t square. Third one, here it is negative. We are having minus t plus t cube plus 2t. And the last one is, now again this is minus 1, it was minus t with minus 2t. So this becomes 2t square, negative and negative becomes positive, plus 1 minus t square. Okay. So up to here. Now I am using that space which was for what we have taken. Again tan alpha by 2 we have taken t, cos alpha 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, sin alpha 2t upon 1 plus t square, identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So this we have already noted down. So now I am using this space. Now what we got it? We get it 1 upon 1 plus t square. Solving this part, 1 minus t square plus 2t square, it is 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square. now minus 2t plus t is minus t minus t minus t square, minus t common 1 plus t square. Let's check it. This was minus 2t, t and t cube. Okay, here I was wrong, it is cube. This is just a cube. Okay, so this becomes minus t 1 plus t square. Again for the third part, minus t and 2t is t, t plus t cube, t common 1 plus t square, and the last 2t square minus t square, again t square. Let's check it. Minus t minus 2t is 2t square, 2t square plus 1 into 1 minus t. Now check it where we are having 1 here or not. 1 times minus t with this one and 1 with this one, 1 minus t square. Okay, so here it becomes 1 plus t square. Okay, so now after doing so lot of calculation part, and it should be very neat and clean so that careless mistakes should be avoided. Okay, so now what the result is, what we are having? We are having, you can write it 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. This part 1 upon 1 plus t square multiplied by each and every element, minus t 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square, then t 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square, and finally we are having 1 plus t square upon 1 plus t square. Okay, so what the result is? Now what the result is, we are having a very nice result. Cancelling this with this, this with this, this with this and this with this, we are having 1 minus t, t and 1. Okay, so what was left hand side? Left hand side is this one. This is your left hand side. And what is right hand side? This is your right hand side. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So what we have done? We have proved it. Okay, so important question, and be careful if you are just putting cos alpha and sin alpha as 1 minus t square or 1 plus t square, taking t as tan alpha by 2, then it simplifies the question. Otherwise you can solve it, but the calculation will flow like this type, and there can be some type of a mistake. And secondly, we have to save the time for other questions.